टीचर ये भोजन वीडियो
हाँ सुन लिया मैंने।
क्या है आपकी क्लास चल रही?
हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
सबको सुप्रभात, सबको शिक्षक दिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
मोबाइल
गुड मॉर्निंग, सबको शिक्षक दिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
एक झाले बाबा चालू करते एक कैसे होता दो हजार हो रहा है।
Good morning all. Happy Teachers Day to you.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, Teachers Day.
Morning, ma'am.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day.
Morning,
Happy
ma'am.
Teachers Day, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Good morning,
To be
ma'am.
with all of you, although
Happy Teachers Day. शिक्षक दिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं सभी के लिए।
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Geeta Shane, I'm seeing you after many months.
Thank
After
you,
half
ma'am.
a year. 6 months have passed now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day.
Teachers Day all of you.
Vaishali,
शिक्षक दिन की लाख लाख शुभकामनाएं आपको।
Yes, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day.
Cards that
Happy
we
Teachers
have-
Day, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day.
Good morning, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day to all.
Good morning, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day.
मैम शिक्षक दिन की लाख लाख शुभकामनाएं।
See the beautiful cards. The cards are so good.
काम है तुझा चालू आहे बहुतेक मला आवाज येते म्यूट कर म्यूट कर
It seems almost everyone is getting the spectacles. Courtesy lockdown and screen time.
Principal ma'am, good morning. May I start the program?
Yes, yes. How many are there? Did you take a count? How many are there already?
Yes, ma'am. I'll just do that. We are 94, ma'am.
94. Yes. So I think has the admin and all joined? Sangeeta Patil, is Patil sir there?
Yes, yes, ma'am. He is with you only.
And is Vikrant there? Vikrant,
Yeah.
Amit.
Yes,
Amit is,
ma'am.
now we have.
Yes, ma'am. I am present.
Amit is present. Is Vikrant present?
morning ma'am
Good morning, ma'am.
Now we have to ask Shweta. We have to ask who's this?
Pranali.
Pranali, Sangeeta.
Sangeeta, we asked, yes. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day.
Yes, everybody, good morning. Happy Teachers Day.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day.
Morning, ma'am.
Deepa, I'm also seeing you after 6 months. Many people I'm seeing after 6 months. After March. March, April, May, June, July, August. My God, 6 months have really passed. Shikali Chauhan.
Yes, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day, all of you.
Yeah.
Teachers Day, ma'am.
Yeah. Diya, has she joined? Uttam Chauhan. From admin, actually few have joined, but doesn't matter. Uttam is not there. Uttam is not there, I think so. And what about this one? Anita, Sushma, Suresh, are you there? No, Suresh will not be there. And Pandey sir, Kedar, it's okay. I think Priya will join because it's 5 minutes already passed. We'll, begin. Now 97 are there. That's a good number.
Okay.
Yes, I can see Sushma. I can see. Yes, Anita is not there. Sushma is your friend. Anita there. Dilip Dada is there.
He's not joined.
Dilip Dada is there. Dilip Dada. Who else?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Are you in the school? Oh my God. You're wearing mask, Uttam. Are you in the school?
No, ma'am.
No.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Yes. Happy Teachers Day. Come on.
Good morning. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
99 now. We'll wait for a century. Priya.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Well, ma'am,
Century. Come on.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Happy Teachers Day.
Done, ma'am. 100.
Okay, teachers, I request all of you to mute your microphones, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, all, and welcome to the virtual Teachers Day celebration event. For the first time ever, schools in India have moved to online classrooms. I believe we teachers are the next COVID warriors shaping the future of tomorrow. We are still unaware that when things will be back to normal. But instead of leaving everything to future, we the teachers are planning ahead, sometimes going beyond the normal call of duty, keeping one thing in mind, that learning should not stop. The show must go on. I'm aware we all are missing greeting the students at the door, those first few minutes of the class, parking our vehicles in haste and rushing through the corridors to reach the biometric. And of course, the bell ringing always reminded us that we have a schedule. We all are missing the crazy loud hallways before and after the school, the good morning greetings from students, the bye-byes, the interaction with students, and of course our colleagues. And how can I forget our staff rooms? I want to say something to you all teachers. माना कि आप सबसे रोज मुलाकात नहीं होती, माना कि आप सबसे रोज मुलाकात नहीं होती, पर हर सुबह आप सबको याद दिल से हम करते हैं, पर हर सुबह आप सबको हम याद दिल से करते हैं। उसके बिना सुबह हमारे दिन की शुरुआत ही नहीं होती, उसके बिना हमारे दिन की शुरुआत ही नहीं होती। So today you all will relive those moments by witnessing the wonderful virtual Teachers Day celebration, which is presented by our beloved students. So now over to Madhushrila and Parag Kumar. Thanks a lot.
Hello teachers, a very happy Teachers Day to you. I hope you all are safe and happy at your homes. And I'm sure you must be missing this school the way I do. On this very special day, we were wondering what could we do to cheer up the mood of our teachers. So we came up with an idea. And one of our colleagues who is here with me is going to partner with me for this. Sir, would you like to come on camera and say hello to our teachers?
Hello everyone. Happy Teachers Day.
Sir, would you like to share the idea which we have?
Yes, absolutely. Why don't we take them on a virtual tour of our school, as they must be missing their school for last 5 or 6 months? What do you think?
Yes, sir. Sir, let's go inside.
Chalo, let's go.
दादा टीचर्स नाही आहेत शाळेमध्ये तर मग कसं वाटतं?
सर्व म्हणजे शांत शांत वाटतं.
तुम्हाला दादा कसं वाटतं?
खूप शांत शांत आणि सगळ्यांना मिस करतोय खूप.
शाळेत टीचर नाही तर मग तुम्हाला कसं वाटतं?
खूप शांत वाटतं आणि छान वाटतं.
तुम्हाला कसं वाटतंय?
नाही, सर्वांची आठवण येते. सर्व शाळेत असावे असे वाटतं.
थँक्यू.
टीचर्स और बच्चे स्कूल में रहते हैं तो थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है. उसके बिना स्कूल ऐसा अधूरा अधूरा सा लग रहा है.
सर, स्कूल विदाउट टीचर कसं वाटतं?
स्कूल विदाउट टीचर ना अशी शाळा एकदम अशी भकास वाटते, अशी शून्य पडल्यासारखी वाटते शाळा.
असं करमत नाही सर, कारण रोजचा चहा वगैरे जो होत होता तो आता होत नाहीये.
आधी किती कप चहा बनवायचा आणि आता किती कप बनवता?
पहिलं करत होतो 200 कप, आता 30 ते 40 कपच होतो चहा.
200 कप?
हो, आधी 200 कप होत होतं आपलं सगळं स्टाफ वगैरे धरून, हाऊसकीपिंग वगैरे. आता 40 कपच होतो.
टीचर्स, ऑल टीचर स्टाफ, खूप तुमची आठवण येते. लवकर स्कूलमध्ये या. चहा द्यायचा आहे तुम्हाला, कॉफी द्यायची आहे तुम्हाला. आणि हॅपी टीचर्स डे. हॅपी टीचर्स डे.
थँक्यू.
खूपच प्रॉब्लेम येते.
कसले प्रॉब्लेम?
डेटासाठी बराचसा डेटा लागणार आहे, व्हॉइसेस असेल तर त्यासाठी मिस करतो टीचर. कधी स्कूल सुरू होते आणि कधी मी डेटा घेतोय. थँक्यू सर.
मुझे थोड़ा ठीक लग रहा है क्योंकि परेशान नहीं कर रहे हैं टीचर्स बीच में आके बुक्स दो सर ये बुक मुझे दे दीजिए. क्लासेस के बीच में जो टीचर्स आते हैं वो भी बस थोड़ा मिस भी कर रहा हूँ. और ये सोच रहा हूँ कि स्टार रीडर टीचर्स जो अवार्ड देता था इस बार कैसे दूंगा मैं. तो जो टीचर्स इस टाइम आएंगे उनको मैं अवार्ड देने वाला हूँ. कोरोना के बावजूद भी वो बुक्स पढ़ना पसंद करते हैं तो वो समझ में आएगा ना कि रियली वो स्टार रीडर है.
ठीक है, थैंक यू सर.
Good morning and a very happy Teachers' Day to all. Respected Principal Ma'am will now address us.
Good morning, my dear teachers. Heartfelt wishes to all of you on a special day which all of us look forward to. All of you have been fabulous during the past year and especially during the past 6 months. The management and I as your principal are thankful to you all for the hard work and efforts put in to catch up with the new world that we now belong to since March-April 2020. After a lot of tension, sleepless nights probably, spending hours learning the new technology, you have all emerged as winners. I'm truly proud of all of you, and you have been inspiring and motivating. You are teaching our children much more than the curriculum. The difference between just plain teaching and empowering our students is what each one of us have to understand. Educating today's youth and today's baby, especially from the pre-primary, is a challenging task. I am happy to note that all of you have taken this up willingly with a smile on your face. I have 2 small stories for you today. Please listen carefully. Many years ago, in a small town, a merchant had the misfortune of owing a large sum of money to the moneylender. The moneylender, who was old and haggard, fancied the merchant's beautiful daughter, so he proposed a bargain. He said he would forgo the merchant's debt if he could marry the daughter. Both the merchant and his daughter were horrified by the proposal. The moneylender told them that he would put a black pebble and a white pebble into an empty bag. The girl would then have to pick up 1 pebble from the bag. If she picked the black pebble, she would become the moneylender's wife, and her father's debt would be forgiven. If she picked the white pebble, she need not marry him, and her father's debt would still be forgiven. But if she refused to pick a pebble, her father would be thrown into jail. They were standing on a pebble-strewn path in the merchant's garden. As they talked, the moneylender bent over to pick up 2 pebbles. As he picked them up, the sharp-eyed girl noticed that he had picked up 2 black pebbles and put them into the bag. He then asked the girl to pick her pebble from the bag. Teachers, everybody, what would you have done if you were the girl? Remember, the moneylender had cheated and both were black pebbles. So the girl would pick up a black pebble anyway, and then she would be forced to marry him. So everybody, please think. I'm giving you 15 seconds. What would you have done if you were the girl? Or if you had to advise her, what would you have told her? Careful analysis would produce 3 possibilities. The girl should refuse to take a pebble. Then her father would go to jail. The girl should show that there were 2 black pebbles in the bag and expose the moneylender as a cheat. The third one, the girl should pick a black pebble and sacrifice herself in order to save her father from his debt and imprisonment. The above story is used with the hope that it will make us appreciate the difference between lateral and logical thinking. See what the girl did. The girl put her hand into the money bag and drew out a pebble. Without looking at it, she fumbled and let it fall onto the pebble-strewn path, where it immediately became lost among all the other pebbles. "Oh, how clumsy of me," she said. "But never mind, if you look into the bag for the one that is left, you will be able to tell which pebble I picked. Since the remaining pebble is black, it must be assumed that I have picked the white one." The moneylender dared not admit his dishonesty. The girl changed what seemed an impossible situation into an advantageous one. The moral of the story? Most complex problems do have a solution. Sometimes we have to think about them in a different way. Out of the box thinking. Teachers, I hope you understood the story. I have another story for you. There was a businessman who got stranded on a lonely highway. The tires of his car got stuck badly in a mud pool. He looked around for help and finally found an old farmer. The businessman went to him asking help to get his car out of the mud. The farmer looked at the situation and agreed to help him. And he said, "Let us take the help of Sarja, an old bull at the farm." The farmer ties Sarja, the bull, to the car and started shouting loudly, "Sarja pull, Raja pull, Dhanaji pull, Nanaji pull." As the farmer kept shouting these words, the bull Sarja got the car out of the pool of mud. The businessman was relieved, but he had a doubt in his mind. He thanked the farmer and asked him, "You said the bull's name was Sarja and he was alone. Then who were Dhanaji, Nanaji, Raja?" The farmer answered, "You see, Sarja is old and is also blind. He does not know that he is pulling this car alone. The moment he hears the other names, he thinks he is in a team and he gives his best. So is the case with all of us. The very thought that there are others in the same situation as us gives us a great deal of comfort, hope, confidence, and enthuses us to put our heart and soul into any task that we undertake. It's not without reason that the word team is said to stand for together everyone achieves more. This too shall pass. Let's work as a team to overcome the current crisis in the world. Stay safe, all of you. My dear friends, out of the box thinking and working in a team are my two messages for you on this special day. God bless all of you with abundance in whatever good work you take up. Thank you.
Guru is the Lord of creation. He is an organizer. Guru is the supreme God. Guru leads to the path of light, and we all bow to our Gurus. Presenting the song in a dance to show our gratitude towards our teachers.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरुर ब्रह्मा गुरुर विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरुर ब्रह्मा गुरुर विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
He studied, he scored well, and he conquered our hearts. Let us see what our this year's topper has to say on this day.
Hello everyone, I'm Sahil Chaudhary.
Today, I'm very glad to have got an excellent opportunity to tell you the importance of teachers in my life on this Teachers' Day. As rightly said, teachers are the backbone of any country, the pillars upon which all the aspirations are converted into reality. Similarly, teachers played a very key role in my life. For me, they were like elevators, always helping me achieve new heights. They were always there for me, like my best friend. They made my school life full of fun and learning new things. But my views on teachers have come to this point only after a drastic change over time. As a little child, they were just someone who would teach me the respective subject. But as I grew up, I understood that they were very helpful and brought best out of me. They guided my way through the thorns, motivated me enough to climb the toughest peaks, and after all, made me a good human being. During dark times, they were like candles who consumed themselves to light up the way for me. They showed me the world through the eyes of an explorer and the mind of someone who is curious. All my school days were so memorable and enjoyable because of them. Whatever I have achieved till now is all because of my great teachers and parents. Thank you for being the potter of my life and saving me with your skills. You were and always will be my idols. I will remember you first as great human beings and then as great educators. Hats off to all your efforts and sacrifices. I will miss the time spent with you. Thank you so much for making my life so wonderful.
If your heart is slightly bigger than a normal human heart, then you are a teacher. If you get the urge to redirect misbehaving children in public places, then you surely are a teacher. Dear teacher, we may forget what you say, but we will never forget how you made us feel. So let us see what these tiny tots have to say about their teachers.
Oh, it's so scary to imagine a world without teachers. After parents, teachers raise us good. Teachers teach us all from A to Z. Once a student, always a student for teachers. I really love you, teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Oh, I will feel so sad, and I cannot imagine the world without teacher and school, because we would not learn anything. Without teacher, we would not have doctor, engineer, scientist, etc. So we need you guys like crazy. No teacher, no school, no knowledge, no IQ, and no world. Life without teacher would have no class. No teacher means no studies, no class, no playing, no students, no good citizens. So teachers are very, very important. Thank you, teacher. Love you.
Hi, I'm Sparsh Wadekar. Sometimes I imagine what my life would be like without my teachers. And the first feeling that comes to my mind is terror. I wouldn't learn anything. There would be nobody to appreciate me when I've done something incredible. Nobody to bring me back to myself when I grow too full of myself. And honestly, that thought terrifies me. Thank you, teachers, for always being with me. I'd like to end with a well-known quote. Without teachers, life would have no class. Thank you.
World without teachers? I can't believe this. In the absence of teachers, how will I grow? No, I will grow, but how will I learn many things? How will I learn moral values and discipline? Teachers do much more than just giving knowledge. A teacher is a god. I can't imagine life without teachers. I was just thinking, what would the world be like without teachers? It would be like a car without a steering, or houses without a roof, or a football match without a referee, or a party without a cake. Teachers play such an important role in our life. They steer us through the path of life, protect us from troubles, teach us values, and are so much fun to be with. I can't imagine the world without teachers. Happy Teachers Day! World without teachers would be a chaos. We will be directionless. I bow down in front of my God, parents, and my teachers. Teachers have to be there to enlighten our path. But do you know something? They only look good in the schools. If you have them at home, you will be nagged 24/7. See?
World without teacher is very boring. I feel very sad when I don't meet my teacher. Teacher will be not there. Who will take our next activities? Who will tell us nice story? I meet you, teacher, when Corona will go. I love my teacher very much. I love you, teacher. Thanks for being with me always. Without teachers, life would have no plan.
My head was muddled up with various thoughts when I asked myself what the world without teachers would look like. Well, honestly, the first thing that came to my mind was, hush, no homework, and yay, I can play in peace. But then it occurred to me that all of us would have been so dumb. One thought followed the other, and then I realized, who would we all look up to in the absence of teachers? So, in a nutshell, the world without homework seems pretty good, but without teachers, if you ask me, would be so chaotic and disorderly. It's rightly said, Mata Pita Guru Deva, because a teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart. Happy Teachers Day!
A little nonsense now and then is cherished by the wisest of men, says author Roald Dahl. Research has shown that laughing for 2 minutes is just as healthy as a 20-minute jog. So these days, I sit in the park and laugh at all the joggers. Life is short. Smile when you still have the teeth. So let's laugh out loud. Presenting before you a laughter-packed performance by our comic comedians.
नमस्कार, मी अथर्व खानोलकर आणि आजचा माझा विषय शेजारी. शेजारी पण व्हरायटीचे असतात. तो व्हरायटी नंबर 1, पुटिंग लेग इन समवन स्टोर. सतत दुसऱ्याच्या फाटक्यात पाय घालणे. का कोणास ठाऊक त्यांना आवडतं. प्रत्येकाची आवड असते. तर आपल्या घरात जर काही चांगलं केलं तर वडे वाटतं, तुला काय करायचंय. डस्टबिनला पण सोडत नाही माहितीये. डॉमिनोज मधनं मागवलं, उद्या डबा ठेवला बाहेर की लगेच डॉमिनोज मधलं खायचं नाही, आतड्यांमध्ये मैदा चिकटतो. जग खातं, सगळे मूर्ख. त्याच्यानंतर ॲमेझॉनचं पार्सल दिसलं, अरे ॲमेझॉनमधनं मागवलं, चिनी आयटम मागवलं नाही ना. काय, आमच्याकडे पण बातम्या लागतात, आम्हाला पण माहिती आहे आत्मनिर्भर भारत. असो, कॅटेगरी नंबर 2, गलिच्छ शेजारी. सकाळी उठलो, क्लास दिवस आहे असं वाटलं, हसत हसत बाथरूममध्ये गेलो आणि ब्रशला पेस्ट लावली आणि इथपर्यंत नेलं की वरून ख ची बाराखडी आणि श ची बाराखडी. गोंधळून जाऊ नका. ख ची बाराखडी घसा साफ करायला, श ची बाराखडी नाक साफ करायला. घाण वाटतं ते, पण त्याच्यानंतर जर आपण ते सहन वगैरे केलं आणि बाहेर जाऊन बाल्कनीमध्ये मस्त हिरवीगार झाडं बघितली आणि हवेचा आनंद घेतला की त्याच्यानंतर वळून करून रेड्यासारखे ढेकळत येतात. ते जस्ट कॅन यू इमॅजिन. कॅटेगरी नंबर 3, घाबरट आणि फास्ट शेजारी. घाबरट आणि फास्ट इन सेन्स दॅट कोविड आहे. कोविडमध्ये सगळ्याला आपल्या जीवाची भीती असते. सफाई कर्मचारी येतात, आपण आपले डस्टबिन बाहेर ठेवतो. कधी जर शेजारी काय आता काय अशा एक्सप्रेशन देऊन ते जातात पळून. का, मी कोणाला काही मारणार नाही, पण आय डोंट नो व्हाय. त्याच्यानंतर जर लिफ्टकडे जायचं असेल तर अशा जोरात पळत जातात की 10 मीटर राहिलंय आणि ही मॅरेथॉन मी जिंकतोच. का, पण काही गरज नसताना का उगाच पळायचं. आणि कधीतरी लिफ्टमध्ये वगैरे मिळाले क्वचित, पण कधी जर लिफ्टमध्ये मिळाले आणि आपण बोललो कसं आहे, सगळं बरं आहे ना, काळजी घ्या आणि कोणाला बाहेर वगैरे पाठवू नका, हे एवढं फक्त म्हटलं काय 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 आम्ही काय मूर्ख आहे मी, अक्कल नाही आम्हाला काय. त्याच्यानंतर मी बोलायचंच बंद केलं. काय म्हणजे त्याच्यानंतर मग मी म्हणजे काय सोडूनच दिला तो टॉपिक. थँक्यू गाइस.
हैप्पी टीचर्स डे. तो आज हम दोनों आप सबको ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के कुछ बहुत मजेदार और चटपटे किस्से सुनाने जा रहे हैं.
तो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के किस्से सुनने से पहले ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का जब पहला दिन अनाउंस हुआ था तब की बात करते हैं. आपको लगता होगा बहुत बच्चे दुखी थे, और वो कुछ हद तक सच भी है, क्योंकि बच्चे ना आपसे मिल सकते थे ना उनके दोस्तों से, इसलिए वो दुखी थे. पर कुछ बच्चे ऐसे भी थे जो खुशी से नाच रहे थे, और उनका कारण कुछ अलग ही था. तो मैं आपको उनका कारण बताऊंगा नहीं, दिखाऊंगा. हेलो भाई.
हाँ बोल.
आज ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का पहला दिन है ना.
हाँ तो
तुझे पता है आज तेरा जो भाई है ना अपना बहुत बड़ा रिकॉर्ड तोड़ने वाला है.
क्या?
आज तेरा भाई जिंदगी में पहली बार घर पे बैठकर पढ़ने वाला है ब्रो.
ये रिकॉर्ड है?
नहीं तो क्या. हेलो, रख दिया, शायद इंप्रेस हो गया.
तो देखा आपने, ऐसे हैं हमारे स्कूल के कुछ नाम बच्चे. तो इसी के साथ आपको हमारी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का एक और बड़ा मजेदार किस्सा दिखाता हूँ.
Excuse me, ma'am. Your mic is on mute.
Thank you, Raghav. So let's continue.
यार क्या प्रॉब्लम है रे इस राघव की? अच्छा खासा ये बोरिंग लेक्चर वेस्ट जा रहा था यार. बिना बात के इसको हर काम में उंगली करनी होती है. मतलब क्या जरूरत थी रे इसकी? थी ना म्यूट पे मैम.
अरे वो सब तो ठीक है ब्रो, पर तू अनम्यूटेड है. हेलो हेलो आयुष्मान.
आयुष्मान. The first question is, when was Napoleon defeated? Come on, be quick, be quick.
When was Napoleon defeated? When was Napoleon defeated? Sir, Napoleon was defeated in 1815.
Very nice, very nice. I didn't expect this answer. Nice, nice. So the next question is, where was Napoleon defeated?
Where was Napoleon defeated?
Yes, you heard it right.
So Napoleon was defeated in Waterloo.
Oh, you have
Napoleon
read
was defeated in Waterloo.
You've read the textbook thoroughly. Nice. So the last question. Who defeated Napoleon? You must know this answer.
Who defeated Napoleon?
Yes, you heard it right.
Sir, Napoleon.
Wellington. Here's a summary from history.com. Napoleon Bonaparte suffers defeat at the...
Is that Google Assistant? Is that Google Assistant? So we'll show you another incident where I, Chandu Chandeshwar, was asked a question. So let's see.
Good morning, Mr. Chandu Chandeshwar. So let's begin with the remedial class. So let's start with some basic questions. Tell me, what is disguised unemployment?
Sir, so the answer is that.
Hi, Bhaiya.
Music speaks what cannot be expressed, soothes the mind and gives it rest, heals the heart and makes it whole, flows from the heaven to our soul. Sometimes you just have to shut the whole world out, close your eyes and turn off the music. So let's do it now with the performance of our talented musicians. a walk in the park, but the park is Jurassic Park. It takes a big heart and an extra large cup of coffee to shape little minds. I prefer the term educational rock stars for our teachers. I think our class 10 student Rujul also agrees with me. So let's hear her views.
Teachers should be the best minds of the country. This was said by our ex-president, Bharat Ratna Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, in whose honor we celebrate the Teachers' Day. Being a teacher, he knew how important a teacher's role is for the nation. Mind is the source of all thoughts and emotions. Best minds think rationally, progressively. They have belief in qualities like humanity and equality. Teachers having these best minds impart and root these values in their students. It helps in the individual growth of the student as well as the growth of the nation. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. Students spend quite a long time with their teachers. We as students look up to our teachers. Teachers teach us a lot valuable things in this time. Teachers try to pay attention to students' single needs. Teachers help us overcome our difficulties in various ways, like a shy person to socialize, help students to improve in subjects. They also encourage us to take part in different activities. Teachers love all their students equally. They make us understand that we are a part of a cohesive group and how we can help each other. Teachers' love for us is infinite, and so is their care. They are like parents to us. Their love never spoils us, instead makes us more disciplined and responsible. When they scold us, it is out of love, care, and for our own good. When Janet Wall said, "I've always thought that teachers in their own way are holy angels leading their flocks out of the darkness," I am in total agreement with her. I feel very blessed to have such great teachers in our school, and I'm really thankful for them. They've always helped me whenever I needed. To the world, you might be just teachers, but for me, you are my heroes. And I would like to convey my gratitude in these words. I say this from the bottom of my heart. Teaching is a great and unique art. You're always there to care. You protect us in ways we are unaware. Your love for us reaches infinity. Supporting us is your best ability. I love all my teachers, and I wish I could have your features. Thank you.
You were, you are, and you will always be a part of the school. Teachers never forget their students, even when they leave school for exploring the outside world. Even our alumni remembers their teachers in all walks of their life.
A world without teachers, without our preachers, with no one to hold our hand and no jobs to land.
A world without truth, so messy and yet so smooth. A world with beautiful lies, with no one to listen to our cries.
You see through our masks, through our little task, the confusion behind our ambition, the loneliness hidden by our exhibition.
Without you, there'd be chaos, like a world without crayons. Our lives would be mundane, it would drive us insane.
With no one to ground us during our highs and help us through our melancholy sighs. With no one to wipe our tears and no one to ease our fears.
Try as we might, we can't see the light. You pull us through our darkest tunnels, help us through our most difficult troubles.
You always pushed us, always backed us. You always let us fly, always let us try.
At times, when we were alone, when no one would hear our groan, you stepped aside from your throne and pulled us out of that cyclone.
Though we didn't always like you, you could always see us through. We could see the love hidden in your actions, even when we didn't have the best of interactions.
We can be our truest selves before you, even though you might not have a clue. You shaped us in a way we couldn't imagine, like a rainfall during a famine.
Bonds like ours are difficult to destroy, like the love of a mother for her boy. You made us feel connected till the life we want, we selected.
You are like the moral compass to us, like the Pole Star to Christopher Columbus. You are like glowing coals, guiding us through a cold winter towards our goals.
You have always been a call away. Never let us wander astray. You are patient to a fault and never let us wander.
We are so obliged to have you in our life. You will be in our hearts till we survive. We can't help but wonder.
Can there be a world without a teacher?
Life without dreaming is a life without meaning. Never become so involved in something that it blinds you. Never forget where you came from. Someone will remind you. No, I am not preaching. These are some beautiful lines written by famous rappers. We too have rappers in this program. So hold your breath and witness the power back performance of our rappers.
यारों की मौजूदगी में फिर वही बात चली आए जो ख्याल लेके हम साथ साथ बात कुछ ऐसी जरा कान मेरे और तुम अल्फाजों मेरे शब्द पे गौर करो उनको सलाम हमें आगे ही बढ़ाया रुके झुका दम हमें रास्ता दिखाया तुम्हें क्या बताऊं मत है ये पुराना आज तेरे पे खड़े बस उनका शुक्राना आज याद आती कुछ धुंधली सी यादें जब पहली बार रोते हुए स्कूल को जाते ना जाने को हम मारते बहाने दिन हल्की मुस्कान छोड़ जाते वहाँ जाके मिला हमें बहुत सारा ज्ञान और जिन्होंने सिखाया उनका करते हैं सम्मान अब तुम ही बताओ कैसे रहे उनके बिन और लो आज आया टीचर्स का दिन कहे जज्बात क्योंकि मिला है आज मौका कल बीत जाए जैसे हवा का कोई झोंका दूर कहीं गई यादों के सहारे फिर ख्याल में देंगे हम हसीन ये नजारे समझते थे वो हम टीचर्स के दिल थे फिर से कहेंगे यार वो भी क्या दिन थे आज है यहाँ कल चले जाएंगे वादा है हसीन यादें कुछ दे जाएंगे पता नहीं क्या हुआ इस प्रेजेंट जनरेशन को ना रिस्पेक्ट ना लव देते अपने टीचर को सिखाया गुरु ने पढ़ाया गुरु ने फिर पैर सुनने में क्यों शर्म आती है हमें So respect them until you die, give them happiness that money can buy.
Teachers believe that there is a speciality in each student that can be harnessed. Teachers are the best because they bring out the best in us. If there were no teachers, all other professions wouldn't even exist. Some of my friends have similar opinions. Let's have a look.
Happy Teachers Day to each and every teacher who has always been there for us. On this special occasion, I would like to say a few words. When I started in school, this day seemed so far away. But now, when I'm standing here, I cannot believe time has passed so quickly. But
today, let's think about the world without teachers. It's the most scariest thought I've ever imagined. The world without teachers. I wouldn't be able to socialize. Maybe I would remain the dumb for the rest of my life. Maybe I wouldn't learn things that make me an amazing person that I am today. World without teachers is like a pizza without cheese. World without teachers is like being in a mall full of wonderful items and gifts but not having the knowledge to choose the right gift. So however strict your teacher is, never blame them. They do it for your own betterment. Teachers are the most important pillars of the society. The teachers are the second parents of the students. The teacher teaches us to walk on the right path and carrying the right things.
Teachers are the people who shape us into what we are right now. I would say teachers during this pandemic have learned a lot of things and put a lot of effort to teach us, and they have given us all the knowledge they have. Teachers are the best people we could find in our lives.
A teacher is an important person in everyone's life. Teacher brings good habit. I have a teacher in my life who was important to me. Teacher has full knowledge of her subject. Teacher method of teaching is very interesting and impressive. She loves all her students as his own children. Teacher teaches us how to study in the proper way. Without teacher, we cannot study as per our requirement. Without help of teacher, we cannot achieve big target in optimum time.
Without teachers, it's like we, the students, are bikes and our teachers are fuels. Without teachers, there are no students. Teachers are mostly like our parents. They scold us very much, but that will help us. Maybe we will not recognize it now, but we will in the future. Definitely we will recognize it in the future. Imagining a world without teachers is like the scariest nightmare for me. You know, our teachers are like candles. They consume themselves to light the way for us. Well, I would simply like to say, teachers, you have taught, challenged, and inspired us. We just cannot imagine a world without you.
Once said that without teachers, no other profession would exist. Think about that. No matter what you do, no matter what you become, it was always our teachers who helped and supported us from our early childhood up until we become an adult. Overall, I think that a world without teachers just wouldn't function properly.
A world without teachers, it would be a happy thing, you know. There would be no one to judge us, there would be no boring lectures, and the best part is, there would be no one to give us homework. Without teachers, there would be no Q&A like, why did you do this, why did you do that, etc, etc. Even if we make a mistake, there would be no one to punish us and make us stand outside the class. I feel that without teachers, I would become a free bird in the free world.
Be chaotic. It would be something like a garden without a gardener. Everything will go wild. I think a student picks up a book to educate himself, but he'll not be able to educate himself because he doesn't know what's right and what's wrong. I think teachers play a very important role in our life. They inspire us, they shape us, they mold us, and they even tell us how to behave in our society. Without teachers, we are nothing. I think all the teachers are very important. We can imagine a day without a teacher.
Firstly, it's really difficult to imagine what the world would be like if we didn't have any teachers. Who else would have taught us how to do things we put our mind to? Who else would have taught us how to express ourselves through dance, music, and art? Who else would have taught us not just how to read, but to love reading? Without teachers, I can only barely begin to imagine what kind of a mess I would be.
Sometimes I feel that there is no need of teachers in this world, because as it is, we are getting knowledge from technology and also our parents and grandparents, whom I feel are the best teachers in our life. Yes, I know that without teachers the world cannot exist, but what if there are no teachers? I could be the most happy person in this world, because then there would be no tension of doing homework or no pressure on us of exams. But then we will not be able to achieve anything we want without doing our homework or preparing for exams. So that's when I realize that the teachers are the most important part of the world. Thank you.
A world without teacher is characterless. As I walk down the corridor, teachers tell me to complete my work. It's quite funny, yeah. The way teachers make jokes, the way teachers does funny stuff in class. Amen. Thank you God for such great teachers. Thank you.
Our this year standard 10 pass outs. They have already started missing school and teachers. They were quite nostalgic when we talked to them. Now let's hear from them.
Girls, what would life be like without teachers?
What? Life without teachers? Let me think.
Okay.
Okay. I guess I need a minute.
Yes, even I think that life without teachers would be pretty bad because they are the only one which teaches us new things, tells us good things and gives us opportunities to know better about ourselves.
Honestly, I think there would not be a guide for success if our teachers wouldn't stand by our sides. It would be just us running and trying to get success and not achieving it.
I totally agree with both of you, and I strongly feel that I would have never understood the real meaning of discipline and responsibilities without our teachers. It's just impossible for me to imagine a life without teachers. So to conclude our discussion, life without teachers for me is like junk food without pizza.
God, she again started talking about food. According to me, life without teachers is like dressing without any sense.
Oh, stop! You guys are still stuck on food and fashion, as usual. Let me be sensible as I always am.
Look who's saying.
Girls, let's come to the final point now. Dear teachers, you have taught, challenged and inspired us. We cannot imagine a world without you. Happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Thank you.
Oh, hello everyone. I was just jotting down some ideas of the moment ever taking place on Earth when there's not a single teacher in the school or in the classroom. What a sight to behold. Imagine you would not find a single youngster standing out in the corridor and hurting their legs for a 40-minute long period. No pair of ears would find the teacher's voice coming at an ultrasonic speed and then wishing their eardrums good luck. No mention about the cuboidal box, particularly known as classroom, because all the students were enjoying their independence out there on the ground. Probably playground with the classroom that day. A day of equality. No praising ceremony of these bookworms will take place, and no co-curricular activist would have the time pressure of joining the class on time. All these memories would seem so fun if I was still there in school. Now that I'm not there, this teacher's absence is actually haunting me, probably giving me the feeling of butterflies in my stomach. But as it is said, they are not our teachers, they are our second parents. So here's a big thank you to all those wonderful, exotic and brilliant teachers who made my tenure at the school an immemorable piece of time. Thank you so much.
Okay, so the first thing that comes to my mind when I think about a world without teachers is like, yay, अभी मस्ती मस्ती मजे ही मजे हैं सबके. अभी बार बार we don't need to make sure कि सेंटेंस का ग्रामर ठीक है या नहीं, क्योंकि सबकी जीभ तो सेंटर फ्रूट वाले जैसे ही लपलपाएगी. और ना ही ये याद रखना पड़ेगा कि ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स के ट्रायंगल को स्क्वायर क्यों बुलाते हैं, या संधि संज्ञा और वर्ग में क्या अंतर है, या प्लेटो और प्लेटफॉर्म में क्या डिफरेंस है. एंड फैक्ट चेक, इवन आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस. But let's not focus on that for now, but coming back to the main topic. So इस फैक्ट से भी मुक्ति मिलेगी कि कौन सा पैक कहाँ साइन किया था, या किसने किसको क्यों और कब मारा. एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली, एक एप्पल ने मेरे साइंस स्ट्रीम वाला करियर नहीं डिसाइड किया होता. बट इफ देयर वुड बी नो टीचर्स, कुछ भी नहीं होता, एज कोई कुछ सिखाने वाला ही नहीं होता. And the funniest thing is, the need of the hour, the most important thing for someone's survival, Wi-Fi भी नहीं invent हुआ होता. And honestly, absence of teachers seems good in a parallel universe where nothing really matters. But teachers are one of the few important people we need to survive in the world, because you see, it's all a cycle. Think of it this way. No teachers and nothing exists. Because everyone is going to die then. I mean, people would know nothing, so how do they survive? Well, to conclude it all, tada! Welcome to this parallel universe where no teacher exists, but you enter on your own risk, because this world ain't less than Jumanji. Thank you. Tada! Oh, sorry. Happy Teachers' Day. Bye-bye.
Lyrics in the late 70s. तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा नहीं, तेरे बिना जिंदगी भी लेकिन जिंदगी नहीं. लिरिक्स इन 2020, जब आए तेरी याद मुड़ के जाती नहीं, सजना अब तो मुझको नींद भी आती नहीं. म्यूजिक इज अ वर्ल्ड विद इन इटसेल्फ. but with a language that is understood by all of us, irrespective of the time that we are in. Life without music is just like Facebook without any notifications. Now let's listen to our brilliant singers.
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वतन गुल में बड़ी चवन्नी से बचा के रखे हैं हमने वतन ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी
There are shortcuts to happiness, and dancing is one of them. They say that one must dance to express, not to impress. So enjoy the next performance where my friends are dancing not only with their feet, but with their hearts.
बातें मुलाकातें करने की शाम है, ऐसे में है रूठना दीवानों का काम है। देखो तौबा तौबा बातें मुलाकातें करने की शाम है, ऐसे में है रूठना दीवानों का काम है। ये जवानी है दीवानी मेरी रानी, रुक जाओ रानी, देख जरा पीछे मुड़ के, चली कहाँ ऐसे उड़ के।
क्या आप इन्हें पहचानते हैं? शायद कहीं देखा होगा। गौर से देखकर बताइए कि क्या आप इनसे पहले कभी मिले थे?
पहचान कौन? पहचान कौन? पहचान कौन?
जो मैं बोलता हूँ वो मैं करता हूँ।
कितने आदमी थे? सरदार, 2 आदमी थे।
Hey guys, welcome to Behind the Scenes. Here we play Scribble IO.
वापस से आदित्य काउंट दे।
3, 2, 1, 0.
Can there even be a world without a teacher?
बोलने तो देना 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 ये उनो क्या बोलना ना पीरियड ले ले पूरा अच्छा
World without a teacher स्नेहा देखो थप्पड़ पड़।
We are so obliged to have you in our lives.
आगे सब
हाँ हूँ
Without teachers? तो हंसो को यार।
It's the dream.
And it goes like blah, 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 blah.
We'll try.
इतने जल्दी हम हाथ खड़े नहीं करेंगे.
Just we can say like for primary teacher this is for you, something like that, and then we play so many.
Oh, we have talked and talked and talked.
So what have we concluded?
and the host is गायब. अगर ऐसा ही हुआ ना मधुश्रीला, फिर मैं और तुम और पल्लवी करेंगे.
And Parag will start with dance. We are not getting anybody for dance.
मधुश्रीला मैं और तुम भी थोड़ा गा सकते हो, हम गा लेंगे. बाकी बेर करना नहीं करना उनके ऊपर है वो.
All speeches by sir.
And you will see it is like leaving, stop leaving.
At the end, only 4 of us.
This laughter is enough for tomorrow.
Pallavi ma'am, do you have Gauri at home?
No, Ganpati.
Confused for a minute.
See, the person who has to understand understood well.
Gauri Satpute. Why Gauri Satpute? What she is doing at her place?
Actually, even I thought about it because.
If there's nothing, then we'll play this one. Parag ready है क्या ये video पूरा?
Parag is recording anyway, and I forgot he is recording.
और ये मत डालो और making में.
Our tech support is joining finally, I guess.
अच्छा.
क्या? अरे वाह वाह.
He could fix his problem, I think.
Yes.
Electricity board जाके आया रहेगा वो.
नहीं, पोल पे से ठीक किया होगा ना सर उसने.
पोल से कह रहे पराग पोल चढ़ के वायर लगा के आया क्या?
देखो मेरा अच्छा फोटो देखो करके लगा के चला गया.
हो सकता है.
हाँ.